spacious living area with ample amount of space. Your kitchen again, it is super big, as you can see. It is super big, very much spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Silicon Shine by the builder Abhi Ventures, which is located at off Sarjapura Road for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project Silicon Shine by the builder Abhi Ventures, which is located off Sarjapura Road, is built on a land parcel of 7 acres with 220 units, and the available stories are 2 basement plus ground plus 4 floors. And let's talk about the available variants are 2, 2.5 and 3 BHK. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just 2 minutes away from the Wipro Tech Park and 5 minutes away from ORR. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has 30 plus modern amenities such as gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn and many more. So yes, right now we are in front of sample flat called Silicon Shine by the builder Abhi Ventures for a sample flat tour. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this spacious living area with ample amount of space where you can put your sofa and the television unit, and you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. So this is your living area, which is super spacious. And now let's head to the dining area. So this is your dining area again, which is super big and super spacious. So you can customize it the way you want with your dining table and a lot of dining chairs. And this is your kitchen again. It is super big, as you can see. You can customize it with a modular kitchen and with a lot of storage units just like this. And this side you have your utility area where you can put your washing machine and other utility things. And this utility area comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So yes, this is your kitchen, utility and dining area, which is super spacious. And now it's time to check the common bathroom. So this way to your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation, as well a lot of storage spaces under the wash basin for storing purpose. And now let's check the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom in this 2 BHK flat called Silicon Shine. So as you can see, there's ample amount of space for your bed, for your study area, as well for your wardrobe. As you can see, there's a big wardrobe over there. And this bedroom comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is your attached bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there is window for ventilation and space for storage units. So I hope you enjoyed the first bedroom tour. Now it's time to check the second bedroom, also called as the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, the actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and most importantly, 360-degree virtual project tour. So this way to your first bedroom. So as you can see, it is super spacious. So you have ample amount of space for your bed, for your television unit, for your wardrobe and for your study area. And this first bedroom comes with a balcony with French sliding door. So this is your balcony, which is super spacious, where you can spend your leisure time having your coffee or tea. So I hope you enjoyed the bedroom tour. And now it's time to check the second bedroom flat, okay, also known as the master bedroom. So this is your master bedroom. As you can see, it is super big, very much spacious for your bed, for your wardrobe, for your study area or your dressing area. And this master bedroom comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And now it's time to check the attached bathroom. So this is your bathroom in the master bedroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's a window for ventilation. And also there's space for your storing units. So this was the sample flat tour called Silicon Shine by the builder Abhi Ventures. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this project, do mention it in the comment section below. And if you have any feedback, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. Before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the tour of the residential project Silicon Shine, which is located at off Sajjapura Road by the builder Abhi Ventures.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.